Codominance. The law of dominance means the gene is which is completely dominant over the recessive gene. That is the law of dominance. The gene is which is not completely dominant of the recessive is incomplete dominance. The gene, both the genes or both the alleles equally dominant. Both the alleles equally dominant and exhibit their character in F1 generation. Both character in F1 generation. Both the alleles equally dominant and exhibit both the character in F1 generation. That's called a codominance. A codominance definition, that is. Example, human ABO blood group in human. ABO blood group in human. ABO blood group in a human. ABO blood group in human. This is nothing but a codominance example. See here, not only that, a ABO blood group in human, it is also example for multiple allelism. Sir, what is the multiple allelism, sir? Multiple allelism also important. Multiple allelism. Generally, two alleles control the one character. We told already. One gene controls one character. Or two alleles control one character. But here more than two alleles control the one character. More than two alleles influence the many phenotypic expressions. More than two alleles control the only one character. Single character. More than two alleles control the one character is called a multiple allelism. इसका example ABO blood group in a human only. ABO blood group. So ABO blood group is an example for codominance, multiple allelism and law of dominance also. 3. ABO blood group is an example for law of dominance, codominance, then multiple allelism. 3 are correct. How, sir? Here codominance I said. Multiple allelism just said. I'll prove all those things. Now see, human blood group in humans. ABO blood groups in humans. ABO blood groups in humans controlled by I gene. ABO blood group in humans controlled by I gene. I gene have 3 alleles. IA, IB and I. 3 alleles. I gene have 3 alleles. IA, IB, I. So here gene is only one but having 3 alleles. The I gene present on chromosome 9. I gene present on chromosome 9. See, among IA, IB, I gene generally producing sugar polymer. I gene producing sugar polymers here. IA, IB genes are dominant gene. IA, IB are dominant alleles. IA, IB are dominant alleles. So they are producing sugar polymer. So they are producing sugar polymer without influence each other. IA also producing sugar polymer. IB also producing sugar polymer without influence each other. Then both character exhibits in F1 generation. IA produce sugar polymer. Then character A comes. Then IB also producing sugar polymer. Then character B comes. Then in AB both character exhibits. So that is nothing but that's why it is called codominance. IA, IB when combinedly IA, IB dominant alleles, IA also producing sugar, IB also producing sugar without influence each other. So when IA producing sugar, that is A, IB producing sugar, that is B. So combinedly both are exhibit their character. That's said to be codominance. Codominant blood group is AB. Very, very important 1 mark question. Codominant blood group is AB. Codominant blood group genotypes are IA, IB. While IA, IB is a dominant, while small I is a recessive allele. It's not producing any sugar. So this is a important one, important basic information. Capital IA, IB are a dominant allele, then both are express their character, both are producing sugars. So AB is nothing but codominant blood group. Then small I is a recessive allele. So from these three allele of I gene, three alleles of I gene producing possible 6 types of genotypes. 6 types of genotypes and 4 phenotypes are possible. 4 phenotypes are possible. From 3 alleles of I gene, how many genotypes, so how many phenotypes are possible? 6 genotypes and 4 phenotypes are possible. How, sir? Can you show? Yes, I will show. So, you see here, one by one. See here, everyone. Allele from individual 1. Individual 1. Allele from individual 2. Table and important table. Then genotypes, possible genotype. Then possible phenotype. Genotypes to phenotypes. देखो क्या allele from individual IA, first allele. So allele from individual 2, this is also IA. So what combination of genotype? Here right, combination of genotype or possible genotype. IA. So expression character, both are expressed same. So expression character A blood group. Then IA from one individual 1. Here from individual 2, small I allele. So then expression combination of genotype is IA. So IA is nothing but IA is the dominant of the recessive. So A group only. A only express their character. Next IB. Same IB. Here also possible. IB is nothing but B group. Same now producing sugar. Next IB small I. This is also possible genotype is IB small I. This is also dominant of this one. So B group only. Next IA IB. So here combination IA IB is nothing but both are dominant allele. So both are express their character. That is nothing but AB. AB is a codominant blood group. Next small I. So then possible combination small I, that is O blood group. O blood groups. This is important. देखो here AA is nothing but one group. BB is nothing but one phenotype. AB is 1, O is 1. Now come to see here, allele from individual 1, this is a allele from individual 2, this is a combination of genotypes, possible genotypes, phenotype. I said now from 3 alleles of I gene, possible genotypes are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different type of possible genotypes. How many phenotypes there? A. 2 are there, but A only. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 3 alleles of I gene, possible genotypes are 6. Possible phenotypes are 4. That is an important one. Among these, ABO blood group is discovered by Karl Landsteiner, scientist. ABO blood group is discovered by Karl Landsteiner. Then RH factor. This is RH factor. RH factor discovered by Karl Landsteiner in a rhesus monkey and human. RH factor present in rhesus monkey and human. Some additional points also. Then see here, universal donor is O group. Universal acceptor is A AB group. Universal donor O group, universal acceptor is AB group. So, universal acceptor AB group here. Then from this concept, what we say, here you can see here, IA is a dominant, IB also dominant. So this one no dominant, this one no dominant, both are producing sugar without influence each other. So then we call it is both are express their character, that is AB. So codominant blood group is AB. Codominant genotype is IA-IB. Codominant genotype is IA-IB. Then of course more than 2 alleles na, IA, IB, I. So multiple allelism, example ABO blood group. Then IA is a dominant, I is a recessive. So it is completely dominant here. So law of dominance. So human blood group is an example for codominance, multiple allelism, and a law of dominance also. Law of dominance. This is nothing but codominance. Its theory, if they are asking question, briefly write about the codominance means both alleles express their character. Both alleles are dominant and express their character in F1 generation is called a codominance. Codominance is not only present in animals but also present in plants also. Codominance will seen in both animals and plants also. Then the gene is responsible for human blood group is I gene. I gene having 3 allele, IA, IB and small I. IA, IB is a dominant allele. Both are producing sugars without influence other. That's why it is called codominance. Then small I is a recessive allele. It is not producing any sugar. Then so codominant from 3 alleles of I gene, 6 genotypes and 4 phenotypes are possible. 4 phenotypes are possible. This is important for theory. So now for the additional information for NEET. I mean which groups receives which one? Which groups? Then see combination of parents. Combination of parents. Possible offspring, possible progeny, impossible progeny groups, blood groups. See here, based on this concept, they may chance to ask. Very important, based on this concept. For example, combination, O group person marry with a O group person. O group person when marry with a O group person, then possible group is O only. Impossible is A group is impossible, B group is impossible, AB group is impossible. Then second one, O group person marry with a person, then possible blood group is O group and A. Impossible B and AB. Then B group person marry O group person marry with a B group. Ulta also, A person marry with O, B person marry with O, no problem. Then result, possible progeny, O group offsprings, O group children and B group children only come. Impossible is A group AB is impossible. Then O group person marry with AB. This is very important. O group parent marry with AB. O group person marry with AB. Then no chance of O and AB. What chances? A chances, B chances. A chances, B chances. What not chances? O group no chance, AB not chances. Sir, can you show, sir? I'll show here. For example, you take this. A O group person marry with AB. O group alleles are small I. AB alleles are IA, IB. When combines this one, A group. When combines this one, B group. Meaning of IB, I. Then this meaning is IA, I. So, here A group, B group only possible. When O group person marry with AB person, then A group, B group children only chances to come. No chance to come O and AB. Question in NEET theory also, in which of the following combination no parental groups comes in children's. O group AB person when married, in among their in their progeny, in their children, no O group, no AB group. New groups are came, A and B. This is a very very important combination. Next combination, A group person marry with A group person. A group person marry with A. Possible blood groups are A and O. Impossible is B and AB. B and AB. Then sixth, A person marry with B. A group person marry with B. Then impossible possibles are A group person. For example, IA, IB, IB. This is a combinations. IA, IB means AB comes. IA, A group. Then this is a B group. This is O group. All groups are chances. When A group person marry with B, when A person marry with B, then possible groups are A group possible, B group possible, AB group possible, O group also possible. What? It is impossible. I mean, no groups are impossible. Everyone is there. If A person marry with B, all groups are possible. No group is impossible. That is for the clarification. I will give that one more time also. Not to worry. Now next see seventh one. A group B person. A group marry with AB person. Or ulta also you take, no problem. A is IA. AB means IAIB. This is for the genotypes. Now come to here. This is A group. This is nothing but AB group. This is nothing but A group. This is nothing but B group. What are possible here? A group possible. Then B group possible. AB is possible. What not possible? O is not possible. O is not possible. O is not possible. So I will give the line also for here. It's for easy to understand. No confusion. See here, everyone. What possible, what not possible blood groups. Next, this is one. Next combination, mana. Next combinations. Then B group person marry with B. B group person marry with B. So possible B group, O group. What not possible? A group, AB group is not possible. You want, you can take. No problem. Next. B group person marry with A. That's already completed. Then no problem. Then B group person marry with AB. B group person when marry with AB, these things only comes again here also. A comma B group, AB group comes. Then not possible is O group. Then last combination here, 10th one, AB marry with AB. AB marry with AB. AB marry with AB. Here IAIB. Here also IAIB. So when combines crossing IAIB. So possible phenotypes. For example, you can check yours. Here possible, A group possible, B group possible, AB possible. No chance of O group. So these are the chances of possible blood groups and not possible blood groups. Sometimes also even question also may chance to ask. If the father is a mother is a B, then what chances of possible phenotypes are possible possible blood groups in among children? A group possible, B group possible, AB group possible, and O group also possible. Then if mother is a O, father is AB, then what not possible is their offspring? O is not possible, AB also not possible. So when you learn this diagram for NEET level, very important compulsory one question, CET, NEET to AIMS. Codominance compulsory question for theory, NEET to CET, AIMS. So when you learn this diagram, no chance, no need to do like this. Or if you learn, no problem, then combination also easily will make get the mark. So this is nothing but parents, combination, marriage parents. Then this is a possible progeny. Next, impossible progeny. So some additional, still additional. So A cross with B. I'll show that some little bit extra information to you. See here. When cross with AB, what type of things will come? Clearly I will show. A person marry with B. When A person marry with B, homozygous condition take. Homozygous allele. You know homozygous allele? IA homozygous type. Then this is homozygous allele. Homozygous allele. Then in F1 generation, what comes? Sorry, here IAIA means only one type of gametes. Here also only one type of gametes. IAIB. So what comes here? IAIB. IAIB means nothing but AB blood groups. AB blood. That is a codominant blood group. Codominant blood groups when AB cross with the AB, when self nana, then it is nothing but what comes here gametes I. This is AB. Iska genotypes are IAIB. Iska genotypes are IAIB. Now comes here IAIA. Then this is a IAIB. This is nothing but IAIB again. IAIB. This is nothing but IBIB. So this blood group is A. This blood group is AB. This blood group is B. So how many among-springs are chances? Offsprings are chances here. 1, 2, 3, 4 chances. So among 4, how many A group? 1. AB how many? 2. B is how many? 1. So codominant blood group. Codominant blood group is AB. Codominant phenotype is AB, like that. 1:2:1 ratio. Codominant phenotype is a 1:2:1. Codominant genotype also. This is genotype, sir. Codominant genotype also 1:2:1. When taken, when homozygous condition. Homozygous means same allele. IA, IB. Cause F1 generation AB comes. In AB, when AB person marry with the AB, codominant blood group, possible phenotypes in F1 generation, A group possible, AB group possible, B group is possible. In which ratio possible? Codominant blood group 1:2:1 ratio possible. I mean 1A, 2 AB persons, 1 is a B person. Even phenotype also 1:2:1, genotype also 1:2:1. Sir, of course, this is homozygous, okay, sir. Then what about heterozygous condition, sir? Heterozygous condition I will show here. Heterozygous condition. Heterozygous. A cross with B. Sometimes, when heterozygous alleles are taken, when crossing of A and B parents, or if married with A and B parent, when you taking heterozygous allele, what possible phenotypes are, what possible blood groups are comes in children, what not possible also chance to ask. A heterozygous means IAI. Here heterozygous means IBI allele. Then combines IAIB. Then IAI. This is IBI. Then this is I and I. This is nothing but AB blood group. This is A group. This is a B group. This is a O group. So every group is also possible. All groups are possible. When heterozygous blood groups, A and B marry with A. Heterozygous. When heterozygous alleles are taken, when combination of A and B parents, possible children are A, B and O. If homozygous taken, AB blood group only possible. In F1 generation, then AB blood group parents marry with the AB, then this is nothing but codominance phenotype and genotype ratio. Right. Thank you very much. This is a lesson codominance. Then theory for that one. Then extra information. This is only extra information for NEET. So no need to write this extra information for NEET. Theory only you have to write that table. So 3 types of alleles of I gene, 4 phenotypes, 6 genotypes are possible. That table only, you up to the table only for theory. Remaining that combination, this type of information totally for NEET. So this is for NEET only. I repeat that, then just check here. Monohybrid cross phenotype ratio is 3:1. Genotype ratio is 1:2:1 in F2 generation. Monohybrid test cross phenotype ratio is 1:1. Genotype ratio also 1:1. Then incomplete dominance phenotype ratio is 1:2:1. Incomplete dominant genotype ratio is 1:2:1. Codominance phenotype ratio is 1:2:1. Codominance genotype ratio also 1:2:1. This is for explanation of the codominance. Any doubts? You can ask me.